Welcome back to another video, guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how to install a vehicle and how to add a sound pack to it. So first things first, you want to download the vehicle, which I have here. So I've got this, so I'll link it all in the description of this specific vehicle, but it all works the same. So it's got a siren pack and it says 5M/add-on. So we've already installed it, which is here. Just making sure that is all correct. The single player is there if you want it, but this is all correct. This is how it should look, and that's it there. So then what you want to do is install the vehicle, which we already have as well here, and we just want to go to 5M and it's already there. So what we're going to do is we're going to minimize that. We're going to open up our files, which is here. We're going to open the CFG up. Okay, perfect. So first things first, we'll drag that to the side like that and put that there. So we're going to go into resources. Then we are going to make a new folder. This is from scratch, guys, so there's going to be no cut through this. So I'm going to name this cars with closed brackets so it won't start it as that. So what I'm going to do is go inside of that. I'm going to get the RS5, the vehicle, and we're going to drag and drop that over. Okay, then what we're going to do as well is we're going to get the sound pack. We're going to drag and drop that over. You don't have to put them in the same, but I do, just to make it easier on tutorials like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up, we're going to copy this name here of the sound pack, and then we're going to go into the RS5. Then you want to go to the vehicle meta, and then you want to look for audio name hash here, and then you want to replace that there, like that. Save that, go back. Okay, we want to get the name of the car, which is going to be there. So what we'll do is we'll go into our CFG now, and we'll name cars, ensure the car, and then we're going to ensure the sound pack, so make sure that goes in there as well. Okay, once that's gone in, we're going to go Control S and save that. We're going to close that, and then we're going to start the server up. If I'm going a bit too quick in any of the videos, guys, just let me know and I'll slow it down a little. So I know I can be a little bit too quick, because I know, so it's just like, because I do it so quick. Okay, anyway, we're going to check here. We know the car started. It says here, started resource and started the sound. So now what we're going to do is we are going to load up 5M. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to connect to localhost. So you can do it like this, connect, and then type localhost, or you can do 127.0.0.1. Ignore this; it's not. It's just for the video. Okay, so we'll just load in there. Okay, play. Okay, there we go, we're loading in. So I've not cut any of this or anything like that. Whilst we are loading in though, make sure we all keep tapping the subscribe button and the bell icon so you know every time I upload, because one day, you know, I can help you out more. If you need any help, go ahead and join the Discord in the description. There's plenty of help in there. Then if you do that, you're all good to get help in there. So whilst we're loading in, which is what we're doing now. We're not far off. So I'm going to link everything I've used in this video in the description. Okay, and then you can all use the same thing if you want to use this car. It's taking its time loading in. on. You should be loading in now. There we go. Sorry about this, guys. I don't want to skip any of it. I want to make sure there's no cuts in it, saying, you know, I'm not messing about with anything or like that. Okay, perfect. So, once we're in the server, what we're going to go and do is, if you don't know the spawn code off by heart, which is what I don't, so I'm going to just go over here, just so I can back out. We're going to go here. We're going to go back to our TX data, go into the car, and then we're going to get it out of the stream. So there we go. So it is RS5 2021. So RS5 2021. So there we go. And we've also got the sound pack on it, if you can hear that. I can turn it off just to show you guys it does work if you really want me to. But yeah, there we go. There's the sound of it. So I hope you all enjoyed the video, guys. If you do, make sure you drop us a like and hit the subscribe button and turn the bell icon on. Hope you all have a good day. Peace out, people. See you in the next one.